We received another Amber Alert. Yeah, my phone got it. Grandma got it. Probably Dad got it. Apparently, Grandma's cable stopped working, so I have to restart that. Yeah, so we got a new room here, so that's actually pretty nice. Update. And, we got this cable reset back up and running. My dad's. It's honestly a mess in there. I don't want it to. Yeah, so basically, here's my new room. It's actually pretty nice. It's a little messy and everything like that, but I'm gonna get this cleaned up and yeah. Yeah, this over here is my dad's room. It's tuned to channel 7. Wait for it. This isn't coming in like 3. This should come shortly. So yeah. Alrighty here. Hello. Hang on. I am in a Discord call too. Hello. Yes. My grandma. Hang on. Let's see here.
He is 3 feet and 10 inches tall, weighs 70.
Whoops. Accidentally. Oh boy. I think that this is. Yeah.
She's wearing knee-high black leather boots. Emily Pyer took her parents' vehicle without permission and left the residence. They may be traveling in a 2011 silver Chevrolet Equinox. Washington State license plate BWM7177. If you have information, please call the Richland Police Department at 5095316607 or call 911.
All right.